This is my 100k YouTube play button, and today I'm turning it into a guitar. Okay, so we decided maybe sawing my award in half wasn't the best idea, so here we are carefully disassembling it instead. Join us in the year-long journey of transforming this award into a guitar. The only issue? Neither of us have built a guitar before. Samjamguitar hit 100,000 subscribers exactly on Christmas Day 2023, and a few weeks later, YouTube sent the silver play button, their reward for creators who passed that milestone. But instead of hanging it on a wall, I decided to turn it into a guitar. At first I thought I'd just do it myself, or maybe hand it off to a professional luthier, but then I mentioned the idea to a guitar student of mine called Jess, who had a career in 3D design, and he suggested that we build it together. I also reached out to stewmac, the sponsors of this video, and they loved the idea, sending us everything we needed to make it happen. With the guitar body on the way, it was time to drill the cavities for the wiring, the part we'd both been dreading. It was now time to free the body from the blank. Cutting through the tabs was one of the most satisfying sounds of the whole build. After this, we drilled the neck holes. If these were off slightly, the neck would be out of alignment. And finally, we test fitted the neck. It lined up perfectly. For the first time, it actually looked like a guitar. It was great working with someone else on this project. Usually Samjamguitar is just me. Next, we drilled holes in the cavity cover. These would eventually hold hidden magnets. After this, we attached the neck, which allowed us to carve the heel, which blended the two pieces into one guitar. Our guitar was really starting to come together, but there was still a lot left to figure out. For our first full guitar build, we decided to modify an existing neck rather than build one from scratch. We can save that for the next project. Removing the frets and nut was the only part that felt familiar. I'd refretted my USA Strat before in a previous video using tools from stewmac. It was amazing to have their support on this project. Removing the fret dots was a small step that would lead to a huge visual payoff. If this inspires you to try building your own guitar, check out the tools from stewmac in the description. Everything you need to get started is there. If we can do it, then you can too. We searched everywhere for a volume knob that matched the look of this guitar. Nothing even came close. So we designed our own and 3D printed it. Leave a like and comment below if you have any questions about the build. Time to finish the neck. Watching paint dry is boring, so here's a 12-second montage instead. We sprayed a textured finish for the neck, which looks great and also doubles as a hand exfoliator. For the finish, we tried something a bit unusual. Rubbing graphite powder into the top coat, a technique you usually see in 3D printing to mimic metal. It looked and felt good. You could even say a little too good. There were moments in this build where we had no idea if any of it would work. We ran into mistakes and figured out most things together as we went along. And now it's all coming together. From a YouTube award to a real instrument, if you're watching this, you're part of the reason this exists. Next stop, 1 million subscribers and a gold play button, and you already know what I'm turning that into, so get subscribed to be part of the journey. Now it's time for the final reveal.